The Elements panel is where all of the elements you'll ever need to build a website are stored. Now, inside of Webflow, you can simply open the plus sign, and that shows you all of the elements that you'll ever need. So structure, basic, typography, etc., etc. To add one of these, you can simply click and drag onto the canvas, and there you go. Or you can click on the element that you need once, and it's added inside of the element that you were already selected on. Now, a third way to do this is by simply pressing Command E on your keyboard or Control E on Windows and start typing in what you want. So for example, a website always starts with a header. So I'm going to do a H1, press Enter, and there we go. And I can now simply start typing anything I want. There you go. Now, another way to put elements onto a page is by using the Layouts tab inside of the elements. All right, so if I click on Layouts, I have a starter library. I can click on that, and now I'm presented with a group of elements with basic CSS styling that I can use immediately. So for example, if I need a navigation bar, I can simply click and drag that into my navigator, and there we go. I have a nav bar. If I want a better hero row, I can let me delete that one, click on the plus sign, and I have a hero row. I'm going to say I want this one. Click and drag, and there we go. And now it has all the basic elements and basic CSS to help me get going. All right. And if I want more layouts, more layout options, I can install one down here by clicking on the Browse More Libraries. I already have one installed right here called Waves. And here I have even more styles to choose from with different styles already applied to it. And that's the quick tutorial on the Elements panel in Webflow.